Hi, and welcome to another episode of Deep Driving. Today I want to talk about something awesome that happened at a workshop that I presented this morning for early childhood Head Start teachers. So there's a game that I play to have people see and experience how to pause in life when answering to see if it benefits them. What do I mean by this? We always have quick responses that we automatically do. If I say up, then you say, got it, down. If I say left, then you say, right. If I say stop, then you say, go. So we have these automatic responses that are typically oppositional of the other person. We don't know why, but that's just the way that we're running right now. So the activity is I say a word, and then the partner says a word that relates to that word. So if I say chicken, then partner might say finger. If I say banana, and the person might say peel. So we do a 1-to-1 ratio. I say a word, they respond with the word in return. I say a word, they respond with the word in return. Awesome. Then the next part of it is we do a 1-to-2 ratio, and then we kind of experience. Now, I'm using a partner that's in the front row. I'm up on the stage. Now, the crowd is majority African American, and the gentleman that I'm speaking to, that I'm using as helper in the front, is African American, and I am whatever you say I am. I stole that from M.Ed. And your interpretation of what this skin color is your interpretation of whatever it is. Those that know where I was born know that I am not what you think that I am. Anyway, what that means is nothing, whatever you make it mean. So we do a little role play, and then I say a word, and then he says a word, and then I say a word, and he says a word, and then we switch it around, and I say peanut butter, and he says cracker. And I had a choice, and I just responded in such a fake, offended way, like some people do when they want to be significant about how they're offended or triggered. And my face went, "Sir!" And the whole place erupted. It was so funny. I buckled over. We were all laughing. We were all enjoying it. It was fantastic. You know why? Because I didn't make it mean anything. Because everything's an opportunity for comedy, and you only make things mean how you want them to mean. And then my next response, of course, was, all right, fine. You say a word, and I'll tell you my response. And then everybody looked at me like that, and then we all smiled because we realized how insignificant this silliness about race is. There's one race, human race. Done. Have a nice day. I love you. I appreciate you.